What the fuck? Oh, there goes my radio.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until midnight. At 11:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Milford to near Tompkinsville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Archbald, Honesdale, Damascus, Jackson, Clifford, Forest City, Mayfield, Hartford, and Waymart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne.